Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Weight Loss by Food Channel. If you're looking to get those six-pack abs and build a strong, defined core, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the best exercises for sculpting your abs. No equipment needed, just your body and a little bit of determination. But before we jump into the workout, remember, abs are made in the kitchen. A clean, balanced diet is key to shedding that layer of fat so your hard work shows. Now, let's get started with some killer moves to target every part of your core. First up, we're starting with a classic, the plank. This is a full body move that really engages your core and helps build that strength all over. Here's how to do it. Get into a forearm plank with your elbows right under your shoulders. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and hold for as long as you can. Aim for 30 to 60 seconds. This is one of the best ways to target your abs and improve your overall core stability. Remember, don't let your hips sag. Keep everything tight. Next, let's work on your lower abs with leg raises. This is one of my favorite moves to really target that lower abdominal area. Here's how to do it. Lie flat on your back, keep your arms by your sides for support. Raise your legs up straight, keeping them as close together as possible. Lower them back down slowly without letting them touch the floor. Control is key here. Tip: if your lower back starts to arch, stop and make sure to press it into the floor for proper form. Next up, we've got bicycle crunches. These are fantastic for targeting your upper abs as well as your obliques, those muscles on the sides of your core. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and bring your legs up to a tabletop position. Now, bring your right elbow toward your left knee while straightening your right leg. Alternate sides in a pedaling motion, twisting through your torso. Focus on controlled movements, don't rush. Tip: the slower and more controlled, the better. It's not about speed, it's about feeling that burn. Now, let's hit the obliques with Russian twists. Here's how to do it. This exercise is great for working the sides of your core and building that definition along your waistline. If you want to make it harder, you can hold a weight, but you don't need one to feel the burn. Twist your torso to the right, then to the left. Keep your core engaged the entire time. Tip: make sure you're twisting through your torso, not just moving your arms, so you're really hitting those obliques. Next, we're moving on to a full body, high-intensity move, mountain climbers. These not only work your core, but they'll also get your heart rate up, making it a great fat-burning move. Here's how to do it. Start in a high plank position. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs like you're climbing. Keep your core tight and your hips level. Try to go as fast as you can while keeping your form intact. Tip: don't let your hips bounce up and down. Keep your core stable and steady. If you have access to a pull-up bar, let's level up with hanging leg raises. This move is fantastic for building lower abs and really intensifying your workout. Here's how to do it. Grab the pull-up bar with both hands, and hang with your legs straight down. Keep your core engaged as you raise your legs up, and then lower them back down slowly. The goal is to keep your legs straight and avoid swinging your body. Tip: if this is too challenging at first, you can bend your knees to make it easier. Now, let's hit the lower abs with flutter kicks. These are great for targeting the lower part of your abs and building endurance. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back and place your hands under your glutes. Lift both legs off the ground and alternate kicking them up and down like you're swimming. Keep your core tight and your legs straight. Tip: keep your lower back pressed into the floor to avoid strain on your spine. Last but not least, V-ups. These are great for hitting both your upper and lower abs in one explosive move. Here's how to do it. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended and arms overhead. Lower back down slowly, and repeat. Tip: focus on using your abs to raise your legs and torso, not just your arms or momentum. And that's it. These exercises are going to help you build those six-pack abs you've been working toward. But remember, consistency is key. Don't forget, abs are made in the kitchen, so clean up your diet and burn off that excess fat so your abs can shine through. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and routines. Keep working hard, stay consistent, and I'll see you next time with more ways to build strength and confidence.